So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Giorgio Armani, this is Face Fabric Second Skin Makeup. So I am really excited to try this out. As you guys know, the Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation is probably one of the top foundations that are out there. I personally like a more natural finish or even a full-on matte finish on my skin. But anyways, it is one of my favorites as well. It's just not one of my top faves. But I am so excited to try this new Giorgio Armani foundation because this is supposed to be full on matte. This is the box that it comes in. I did order this from Sephora. Packaging looks like foundation will come out of that end. So the main reason I'm so excited for this foundation is because it is supposed to be a powder matte finish. So this is definitely different than the Giorgio Luminous Silk. So I'm just reading it off the website here. It says liquid foundation with light buildable coverage and a mousse to powder matte finish. So it says it blurs pores, imperfections. It's soft as a mousse, but then it spreads across the skin and it melts into a powder. It is Face Fabric Second Skin Fit due to its 3D stretch technology, which allows the formula to move with your skin, leaving the complexion retexturized and smooth. Okay, so this is claiming a lot. This was $49 as well, so it is a little bit less expensive than the regular Luminous Silk. I want to say the Luminous Silk is right around 60-ish. So yeah, so this one is retailing for $49 and you get 40 mLs. So you get a good amount, a little bit more than the regular ounce that usually comes in foundations. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it using my Huda Beauty foundation brush. So I'm just going to apply, I'm hoping this is my shade, and I'm doing like, girl, we're going in, okay. Ooh, okay, I applied a little bit too much, but that's what I kind of want, so I could really test this out today. Whew. So it does have like a really like mousse texture. Whoa, that's really odd. And I believe my shade is 4. There's no real scent to it. Yeah, my shade 4 is pretty much my shade. That never happens. I ordered it online from Sephora, so I'm very surprised that I actually got my color. This really does feel like mousse. It is completely odd. It is not like regular liquid foundations that I've used before. It does feel like a mousse. But girl, this is covering. I had a couple problem areas here and it covered them like completely. What? Oh my gosh, it literally just like glides on your skin. It is so easy to like apply. Oh my gosh, and I'm loving it with this brush too. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like with just one, well, I can't say one pump because I pretty much did like maybe 4 little drops of the foundation, but I have to say the finish of this foundation is super gorgeous. It looks like I set it like with powder, but I am noticing parts of my skin where it's not completely matte on me. So like there's other foundations that are matte and they are literally like matte, girl, like they're dry almost, but you know, they last really long on my skin and stuff. This just gives you such a beautiful finish. I am loving the way my skin looks right now. I'm really impressed with this foundation so far. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and then I will come back with a full-on review and my overall thoughts. Pretty much just finished my whole face, highlighter, bronzer, concealer, the whole bit. I have to say wow, I'm really impressed with this foundation, and I feel like it covered, it's not crazy coverage though. I wouldn't say this is full coverage. I'd say it's probably buildable, but it's more of like a medium coverage. So if you're looking for more like full bam coverage, I don't think this is the foundation for you. I am really excited for this foundation. If you love a beautiful like kind of matte finish, and you just, I feel like what it does too is it takes away an extra step in having to set your foundation, because it does look like I had already set the foundation, which is kind of nice. So I don't have to worry about applying the foundation and then going back in with some sort of powder to set it. It basically looks set and it's good to go. So I could definitely say this is a matte finish, but it is more of a natural matte. Those are my overall thoughts on this new Giorgio Armani foundation. It is called the Face Fabric Second Skin Makeup Foundation. I would definitely recommend this foundation. It is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I will leave down in the description box like how it went throughout the day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in my next video.